Okay guys, we've gotten the home inspection report back and it's time for us to schedule a call to go over all of the details of the inspection report. We need to set aside about 45 minutes to have an uninterrupted phone call so that we can go over all the details. There are a few things that I want to mention before we get on our call, and that is the difference between a repair and an upgrade. So repairs are things that are a defect of the house, and it's things that we can ask the sellers to repair. So things like leaking pipes, that's a defect of the house. That's something that needs to be repaired. Where just because the roof is old does not make it a defect. If the roof is leaking, that is a defect. But just because it's old does not make it a defect, and we cannot ask the sellers to replace it. So I want you guys to take time before we have our phone call to go over the home inspection report so we can talk about all of the significant findings, and we want to ask the sellers to repair any of the big ticket items. So if the roof does leak, we want them to fix that as compared to something that is more minor, like outlets that need to be replaced or things like that. Those are minor issues where a leaking roof is a pretty major issue. So set aside some time to go over the report before we have our call, and then have your list of things that you want to touch on once we do have our call. As always, text, call, or email me anytime, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.